logging, also we can have some kind of handler, okay, something that is called handler. This handler is responsible for sending this log in different area. For example, maybe you want to send the log into the console, so this handler is responsible. Or you want to save it into a file, or you want to send it into some kind of online services. These are all responsibility of this handler. Okay, so let's go and see how we can do this. Okay, so down here I'm going to create a file handler and add it to the root logger. So it's going to be file underscore handler. It is equal to logging dot file handler. Okay, and here we can add that. This time I will add it by the name of example3.log. Now I have this file handler, which is the handler. Okay, so now I'm going to specify this to do something. For example, I will use file handler dot set label, and here I can add the logging dot debug, for example. Okay, so now I'm telling that the label is going to be debug mode. Okay, so now let's go configure the logging system with the file handler. Okay, so here I will use the logging.basic config. Okay, and here we can give the label to logging.debug and then use a comma here. Now it is time to use the handlers. So use these handlers, and here use a kind of set here, okay, or list here, and add the file handler that you created. That easy. Okay, like this we can create a handler, and then like this we can use that. So also I have the example usage here. Okay, I don't need to add more. I will save it, and then right here I will run it again. So when I run it, you see I have this one, and it gives me that here. So like this we can create a handler, and then we can use it. So if I continue this, okay, I can go with logging with different loggers. Okay, I don't know if I continue this in this video or in the next video. Okay, I will continue that in the next video. So here you'll learn how to create a handler and how to use it.